Morning, everybody. It's Mike with the Claim Squad Public Adjusters, and I'm going to be talking about the Hurricane Ian situation. Fort Myers Beach wrecked, Sanibel wrecked, Captiva wrecked, parts of Naples, Marco Island, and it's Friday morning about 6:30. Yesterday, I started my day around 6 a.m. getting phone calls, and I mean, an absolutely just crazy day with the amount of people on one day that I've got more here. I still have to do all this stuff. So all in all, about 15 to 20 people yesterday. I was working till about midnight. I was up this morning about 5:45, and I need to make this video, and I want everybody that I send this video to share it to people, because we need to talk about this whole claim, and I think people are going to be in for a rude awakening as far as what you're going to anticipate from the insurance company. So we need to talk about briefly storm surge, and we need to talk about the hurricane winds, because this is going to be a fight. This is going to be something that we need to bifurcate. In other words, we need to differentiate. I'm going to tell you the reasons why, even a conversation I had with a partnering attorney of mine. Let's talk about briefly. I'm going to have two other videos too, but let's talk about briefly about the storm surge and the wind, and why it's going to be so important that, number one, you get somebody in your corner. I think we're going to see an unprecedented level of denied hurricane claims from this event. All right, so let's make sure of something. Number one, for the storm surge, you've got to have flood insurance. And then number two, obviously for the structure of your home, you need to have homeowners, okay? Home insurance. Now, anybody that had water, Cape Coral, Fort Myers, Sanibel, any of these other areas with water damage, if you don't have flood insurance, this is what's going to happen. What's going to happen, the homeowner's insurance company, they are going to deny your claim, saying that it's storm surge, saying that it's water, and you won't be covered. Now, flood insurance, if you have flood insurance, the flood insurance is going to say that it's a homeowner insurance got to cover it. There's going to be bumping heads, and this is why it's so important. So this is what the plan needs to be. More than likely, you have more insurance under your home insurance coverage than you do your flood. Normally, your flood, for the most part, if you have it, is $250,000. You might have more. You might have more depending on the value of your house, where it's located. Business, you might have more, okay? I don't really drink coffee, but this is one of those days where you gotta drink coffee. Just lost my train of thought on the other point that I wanted to make, but here's the other thing, okay? Don't expect an adjuster to be out, a claim adjuster to be out for weeks, possibly months, okay? I tried calling in claims yesterday, and I know other people have as well. If you're lucky enough to get through, I'm hearing there's a 3 to 6 hour wait. A lot of times you're finding busy signals. Okay, don't get frustrated. This is going to be part of the process. So, this video is important enough, I hope, and I want you guys to share it on Facebook, whatever social means, Instagram, so that people know the difference on everything. So that people know how to protect themselves now. Get somebody, okay? But be careful. Be careful of, this is going to be an entirely different video, but there's going to be a lot of scammers out there, right? A lot of these attorneys are going to take advantage of people. You're going to see a lot of public adjusters out. You're going to see a lot of contractors out. Your immediate kind of adrenaline rush is to have these people who want to help you. You've got to screen them. You've got to be careful. People are going to be after you for cash jobs. People are going to want you to sign up with them. Okay, attorneys, public adjusters, so on and so forth. Do your due diligence. Go by recommendations of friends and family. Don't blindly go with somebody if they're coming door to door. If you see a trailer with an advertisement from an attorney, right? These attorneys' contracts are very, very tricky. Very tricky. So do yourself a favor. Listen to me. And everybody, I want staying safe. I know there's a lot of power out right now, and everybody's not actually having the ability to do some of the things and go some of the places that they want. It's going to be weeks. So here's another point I want to bring up. So here's something else I want to point out. So this was just the other day, yesterday. This is one of the attorneys and law firms that I work with for a lot of the claims, right? Exactly what we talked about. We already know what's going to happen. Everyone is going to report their homeowner's insurance, and they're all going to get denied, arguing flood water caused the damage. All right? This is what I'm talking about. This is what's going to happen. We're going to see an unprecedented level of denied claims. Listen, everybody's been getting together and trying to help each other out during these times. Pass this video out to people that you know so that they are prepared what to expect, right? This isn't the time to try and talk your way with the insurance company on this. Remember, insurance companies in Florida are at a high threshold of going under. This is going to break the system. This $35 billion that they're claiming. So I'm going to share my information. If you have other people that you trust that can refer you to a good public adjuster or good attorney that they've already used, fine. But don't blindly go into something, because especially with the attorney contracts, I'm going to reiterate that. Listen, I use attorneys. I work with attorneys. Sometimes they're the necessary evil, but we also all know how they sometimes take advantage of people. Not all, but you just got to be careful with everything right now. Everybody who's on that West Coast, because there's going to be a lot of predators. I'm not going to get into that. That's going to be a separate video right now. I'm trying to make a few videos to send out to everybody. But just a heed this warning in this video. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. So my name is Mike Keeler. I'm a licensed public adjuster in the state of Florida. I happen to have a ton of clients over on the west coast of Florida. So I'm very familiar with the area. Here's how you can get a hold of me with my cell phone. Okay, my email address, and this is my website. Come take a look at it. Okay, also take a look at a couple of these other videos on my channel. If you notice, I have about 100 different videos. All right, what you need to know before you hire an attorney for your insurance claim, right? Hurricane storms, water damage, cast iron pipes, roof claims. This is going to give you some tips. Some of you that may be getting bombarded by attorneys, right? Again, there's going to be different ways that these people are contacting you. Here's one relevant tips for filing your insurance claim. If you haven't done and filed your claim, don't worry about it. It's going to be weeks or a month or so before anybody's able to come out. And this is going to be important. A lot of people are going to need mitigation services. So in other words, water mitigation, drying out your place, having walls demoed, floors taken out, mold stuff. What you need to know about these mold companies, these water mitigation companies and their contracts. Let me give you a little preview of this one. So a lot of water mitigation and mold remediation companies have in their contract that if they don't get paid from the insurance company in 90 days, they may have a right to come after you or put a lien on your house. In a hurricane, is that fair? No, but that's what they're doing. And the reason why the 90 days is because there has to do something with the statute and being paid by the claim, so on and so forth. But anyhow, Be careful of those contracts. You want to try and find an insurance or water mitigation or mold company that you can say, hey, listen, I'll work with you, but I don't want you coming after me. Go after the insurance company, hire an attorney to sue them. I work with a couple companies, and this is what they do. I will not work with a company that goes after the homeowner. So you also please be careful. All right? So again, my name's Mike Keeler. I'm a licensed public adjuster in the state of Florida. I'm on the other side of the coast, over in the Pompano Beach area. I have a lot of clients in that western side of the state. So if you need any help or advice, please give me a call, write me an email, shoot me a text. I'm here to help as much as I possibly can. I'm a one-man army, but I try to do as much as I can to help people. So again, everybody please stay safe. Please try and make the accommodations that you have the best that you possibly can, because a lot of people, this hurricane has changed the lives of a lot of people. Everybody stay safe out there. Thanks for watching this video.